Hello everybody. Today I am here to share a prize package that I won from a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Rosemary and her channel is Rosemary's You Rock Art. She is awesome. She is so sweet. I absolutely love her channel. She plays music, she does crafty things, and she's just one of the sweetest ladies you would ever meet. I was so happy to win one of her giveaways, and she does a lot of giveaways, and sometimes she does secret giveaways. So if you watch her videos, watch them all the way to the end. She is just a doll, and I love her. So I'm so excited to open this. It's craft books, and I don't exactly know what they are inside, so we're going to see what they are together. I went ahead and took the outer wrapping off, and I opened with my craft knife the edge, just so it would be a little bit easier and I wasn't fumbling with that on camera, but I have not looked inside at all. So I'm going to move this over, and I will take out, I'm going to try to take out one thing at a time. We'll see how it goes. So this first book is, by the way, this box is extremely heavy. It is all books. This box is Simple Knits, Cushions, and Pillows. I don't knit, but I know someone who does, and I think I will share it with her. Gorgeous. Oh, I like that. Or I may even try to knit. Who knows? Rosemary, look at this. This is your picture. I picture for you because it has drums. So these are really pretty. There is that. And there is this stitch on the double. It is Easy Quilt Projects on the Sew and Go. Very cool. And you know, you can use quilting patterns for paper crafting. The paper piecing patterns can be used on cards. So maybe we'll try to do some of that as well. I'm not a quilter either, but these patterns are really pretty. I like that little owl. And it has the patterns in the book as well. So that's really cool. I love the snowman. That is so cute. So I may use some of this like for card sketches or something. You might see this come back in an upcoming video. And oh, this is so cute. Happy Gurumi. I don't know how to say that. These are little toys to crochet. I think I'm going to have to learn how to crochet now. Oh, they're adorable. Oh, this is the bee, like the bee that Rosemary has on her channel. She shows it at the end and she says something like, be safe, be happy, and be something else. Oh, that's so cute. I love the little bluebird. These are adorable. And the squirrel. And the turtle. These are so cute. Look at the doggy. I like the doggy. Oh, these are adorable. I love all the animals. Too cute. Okay, I got that. And this is another knitting book. The American Knits. Very cool. These are sweaters and clothes and that gorgeous hat. Very cool. I love that sweater. Very neat. Cool beans. And we have stitched. Now I do sew, so that is good. Oh, I used to have a fabric addiction like I have a paper addiction. This is very cool. It's got a lot of helpful hints about stitching. I like that pincushion cube and a couple little projects. Very cool. Yes, I used to hoard fabric like I hoard paper, and I still have probably too much fabric. I don't sew very much, but I have before. This brush roll would come in handy. That's really cool. A lot of neat little projects in there. That's a nice book. And all right, here we go. Put your stamp on it. Stationery, aprons, totes, and more. Now this is all about me right here. I love stamping. And it even shows you how to make your own stamps. Very cool. So you may see some projects from this book coming in upcoming videos. Look at those cassette tapes. That's really cool. Very cool. I like it. This book is me, for sure. And we have another little quick knits book. Very cool. Some very cool things in there. Look at that doll. That is so cool. Kitten mittens. An iPad cozy. That's kind of nice. Cool. Yep, very cool little book. I bet all of you knitters are going, oh, that's so cool. Oh, yes. This little cutting pad. I have heard such good things about these. I think these are at the Dollar Tree. Yes, Greenbrier. And someone's going to do a DIY with one of these. I have to see what it is. I've heard people are raving about these little mats, and I'm very excited because I have my big mat down here. But if I just want to cut something, I think just bringing this little one out might be a good idea. It's nice. It's pretty thick. It's pretty heavy. I love that mat. That will definitely be put to good use. And this is just paper. Oh, there's a goodie bag. I'm going to open the goodie bag last. And I think that was all the books. I just want to make sure. Nope, there's something else. Oh, yes, I know what that is. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. This is from her 700 subscribers. That was the name of the giveaway, the 700 subscribers giveaway. And someone had made her this box for 700 subscribers, and this will definitely come in handy on my desk. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and she put goodies inside. This is a box from the Dollar Tree. It had butterfly cutout, and she just put that on the front. That is so pretty. And look at here, a bag of bling. You know, that's all about me. And these adorable apple buttons. She did a video on these. She got them from BB Crafts, and I'll have an upcoming BB Crafts video as well. So watch that. Watch for that. And these cute little stars, which those will be put to good use for sure. And look at these adorable buttons. They're little bunnies. Oh, how cute is that? I love those. This is a great little box to keep embellishments on my desk. I will leave it as is for now. I love that box. That bling around the side. Pretty papers and ribbons around the side. Gorgeous. She did a great job on that. And then there's this bag. I'm so excited. I don't know what's in here. I love that bag, and I will reuse that. I do send a lot of happy mail and stuff, so I will reuse that. Look at this beautiful card with this butterfly. That is fantastic. I love that butterfly. I've seen people haul these, I think, from the Dollar Tree. I would love to get back out to the Dollar Tree. I'm too chicken, but that is gorgeous. And she wrote, "Hi, Maria. Congrats on winning my 700 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Love and hugs, Rosemary." Oh, Rosemary, your channel is awesome, and you totally deserve that. Oh, and this is a, what do you call these cards? Like a Rolodex card. Summer with this huge flip-flop. That is adorable. I like that. And then it says, "You rock," and it's got the guitar pick. "Your friendship puts music in my heart." And that's so sweet. And it's got a little pocket with that guitar pick. That might be from her band, Given Time. I think so. That is adorable. And the guitar button that she put over that sticker, that is awesome. Rosemary, that is fantastic. Thank you so much for all the goodies, Rosemary. I really appreciate it. And your work is absolutely beautiful. I believe she painted this background and put the embellishments on there, which is absolutely adorable. I will hang this in my room for sure, my craft room. And I will definitely put this card on my card wall for sure. Thank you so much. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please do check out Rosemary's channel. I will link it below. It's Rosemary's You Rock Art, and she is just wonderful. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click that subscribe button. A lot more really cool videos will be coming your way. And I love to read your comments. Please leave Rosemary some love down in the comments and let her know how generous she is. She really deserves it. And also, if you give it a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. And then head on over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, and I would love to see what you're doing over there. Thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.